Hello, so let me show you how to run this program. So first, you go to the location where the file is located, and then you start a Python, or you create a Python virtual environment. And then on both these terminals, you activate the environment. And then this over here will install all the requirements. So if you go over here, I'll show you the requirements.txt. So it takes all these and installs them one by one, and these are all the requirements necessary to run the project. So as you see, they're installing over here. All right, perfect. And then this is the cool part that I wanted to show you. So so I use gRPC for the client-server communication. And so this over here basically creates a little language. And what is really cool about gRPC is that you can run this code right here, this little code, and it will actually create the medium and the ways that it will create the files that actually facilitate the language and communicate with the client and the server and back and forth. So I just want to show you it run over here. So you see there's 5 files over here. So now, let's give it a minute. All right, there's 7 files. Okay, so it created these 2 files and it created all this code. And my favorite part about this is that it says do not edit. So therefore, you don't really have to know what this does. You should kind of know what it does and maybe look through it, but you don't really have to know what it does. So anyway, so these are created, and that's what basically is the API. So I'm going to run the server first. All right, and I'm going to run the program now. Oops, sorry. Let me do that again. Okay, so it brought up this GUI client. I made this in pyQt. It's really simple. And so first you go and select an image. I'm just going to choose a random image that I can find. Okay, let's do not that one. That one's already processed. Okay, let's do this one. There we go. So I chose an image, and you see all these widgets are buttons that perform the operations. And so let me show you how it works. So rotate clockwise, positive integer. Rotate counterclockwise is a negative integer. So let's just do those. Let's do a resize 400 by 400. Let's do a flip vertical. Let's do a grayscale. Okay, let's do that. And process image is where all the magic happens, but let's click this. And so it says, would you like to reorder the operations before processing the image? I'm going to say yes, just show how it works. So you see there's numbers over here. You just click on the number you want. So I'll say 5. I want it to grayscale first, and we'll switch it with 1. There we go. And I'm going to say no to this because it's going to just do the right over again. So as you see, the result over here is saved. It's not saved, it's displayed over here, and so those are the operations. And so now you just put in a random name and do .png, and it will work with any of these, what's that called? I don't know right now. Anyway, okay, so it saves it, and it starts fresh. And over here, it prints out kind of a little language as it comes out, like as a list. So not fully, because it doesn't have the data structure. But anyway, yes, that's my program. Thank you so much. Oh, where is this?